Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ. This blender promises powerful performance and versatility, so let's see how it holds up in our testing. Starting off with the design, the Ninja Professional Plus blender has a sleek appearance with a robust build. It comes with a 72-ounce pitcher and a solid, ergonomic handle that's comfortable to grip. The blender feels sturdy on the countertop, thanks to its suction cup feet, which adds to its stability during operation. In terms of usability, this blender offers 3 speed settings and a pulse function, along with 3 preset programs for smoothies, crushing ice, and more. The controls are straightforward, although we found cleaning the blender to be a bit involved due to its blade assembly design. You'll need to pay extra attention to cleaning around the stacked blades to ensure everything is thoroughly cleaned. Moving on to performance, the Ninja Professional Plus blender impresses with its blending capabilities. It easily handled everything from smoothies to oat milk and even crushed ice. The smoothies came out thick and creamy, free from any chunks, which is a big plus. However, it's worth noting that this blender operates quite loudly, especially during tasks like ice crushing, which might be a concern for some users. In conclusion, the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ offers great value for its performance and versatility. It excels in blending tasks and comes with useful features like multiple speed settings and preset programs. However, its loud operation and somewhat tricky cleaning process are factors to consider. If you're looking for a blender that delivers excellent results without breaking the bank, the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared for some noise and make sure you're comfortable with the cleaning routine. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their blending game. That wraps up our review of the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.